Jess, the money was supposed to be used for a range of family planning care, and that can include abortion referrals. The state isn't providing those referrals and argues the feds are breaking the law by requiring them. Oklahoma losing a legal fight this week over whether or not they should be able to access $4.5 million in grants for family planning care. The U.S. Supreme Court denying Oklahoma's appeal after lower courts ruled the feds were well within the law when they said Oklahoma could not get that money if they refused to provide abortion referrals.
It confirms what we thought already, which is that our state, if we're going to offer local health care, we have to make sure we're giving people all the facts. This case seems to reinforce that we need to do that.
Oklahoma City State Senator Julia Kurt, a pro-choice Democrat, argues that Oklahoma's abortion laws, some of the strictest in the nation, are hurting the most vulnerable, as the federal money would have gone towards state-run clinics in rural parts of the state.
We could run legislation quickly that would allow physicians and our healthcare workers to give advice to patients. Right now, they don't do it because they're worried they'll be viewed as aiding and abetting abortion. They should be allowed to give the advice they need to give.
Across the aisle, Oklahoma Governor Kevin Stitt accusing the Biden-Harris administration of denying Oklahoma families access to pregnancy resources, writing on X that the legal fight isn't over. Oklahoma Attorney General Gentner Drummond called the Supreme Court's denial disappointing, but noted that the order from the Supreme Court said 3 of the justices would have sided with Oklahoma if the case had been heard. Drummond says he's exploring other legal options. And despite this order from the High Court, the fight is not over. Oklahoma is just one of 10 states currently in the courts arguing that federal rule on abortion referrals is illegal. Reporting live in the newsroom, I'm Andy Weber, KOCO 5 News.